Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty Allah for giving me the ability to attend this wonderful class organized by ELP. I would like to also thank the organizers of these wonderful classes. May Almighty Allah reward you all. At the same time, I cannot forget the presenters who took their time to present different topics in ETAPs. May Almighty Allah reward you abundantly. This ELP ETAP classes organized in May 2024 have really improved my knowledge of ETAP and gave me more courage in my research. I'm really grateful, and may Almighty Allah reward you all. I've learned a lot in ETAP. This has given me more courage in my PhD research. May Almighty Allah reward you all. I'm Mustafa Muhammad, Project Manager, Hikam Engineering and Consultant Limited, Abuja, Nigeria, and at the same time PhD student, University of Maiduguri. Thank you all.